Chauhan Maharashtra Open University. Objective: reaching the unreached strata of the society, thereby providing access to the higher education. Purpose: to cater to the educational needs of the disadvantaged sections of the society. Direction: to connect the education with individuals' development, thereby bridging the state's prosperity as well. Vision: to become a mass varsity. Established on such solid footholds in 1989, Yashwantrao Chauhan Maharashtra Open University has proven itself unique on almost all parameters of excellence. The glittering records of more than 35 years illustrates impressive figures like cumulative of more than 45 lakh students that include about 4 lakhs for agriculture education, development of various programs, networking through 8 regional centers, published over 2,800 academic titles and produced more than 2,000 audio-video programs. There are 12 schools offering academic programs: the School of Humanities and Social Sciences, the School of Commerce and Management, the School of Sciences, the School of Education, the School of Continuing Education, the School of Health Science, the School of Computer Science, the School of Online Learning, the School of Multidisciplinary Studies, the School of Vocational Education and Skill Development, the School of Language, Literature and Culture Studies, and the School of Agriculture Sciences. Krishi Vigyan Kendra is the project under Indian Council of Agriculture Research that targets rural farmers to update with the advanced farming techniques. Let us now take a quick tour of the divisional and centers at the university. The Student Services Division, the Examination and Evaluation Division, the Administration Division, the Finance Division, the Center for Internal Quality Assurance, the Computer Center, the Print Production Center, Library and Resource Center, the Audio Video Center and the Students Welfare Center. Professor Ram Takavle Research and Development Center, Yash Center for Innovation, Incubation and Linkages. Another feature like development of programs for police administration, military jawans, housemaids, minority group of power loom workers exhibit uniqueness of the university. As an attempt of inclusive education, this university has involved employees in a deprived category for their further education. The visually and physically challenged students are in the university dynasty as well. To support the state government movement for preparing students for the civil services space for the pre-IAS center, Digital Literacy Scheme has been launched under Pradhan Mantri Gramin Digital Saksharta Abhiyan. Special facility of education to the prisoners has given the university an exceptional identity. Yashwantrao Chauhan Maharashtra Open University is the first university to launch interactive web radio. Welcome to Yashwantrao Chauhan Maharashtra Open University.
विद्यापीठाच्या यशवाणीमध्ये आपल्या सर्वांचं मनापासून स्वागत.
The Inter-University State-Level Cultural Event Indradhanushya in 2018 is noteworthy achievements of the university. This university works in association with multiple organizations. Unlike all other universities in the state, this university has adapted self-supportive finance model. The university has set up Yashwantrao Chauhan Smriti Sangrahalaya in the memory of great architect of modern Maharashtra, Yashwantrao Chauhan. The then Governor of Maharashtra and Chancellor of the universities, Honorable Shri Ramesh Bais, visited the YCMOU. The extension of training activities for tribal development carried by YCMOU were appreciated by the Chancellor. The Commonwealth of Learning, Canada, has awarded excellence to this university twice. This is an addition to several national and state level honors. The YCMOU has secured 4th rank under Swachh Campus ranking of higher educational institutions. since 2019 in the category of non-residential university under UGC awarded by Ministry of Human Resource Development, New Delhi. The university has secured National Award for the highest enrollment under Academic Bank of Credit facility in Maharashtra state. In addition, the university has uploaded large quantum of data on DigiLocker, thereby providing digital access and security. This distinct has made the university an idol for others and a role model as well. Quality education with needful content at affordable fees. Easy access at every nook of the state.
ज्ञानगंगा घरोघरी यह ब्रीद लेके यशवंतराव चौहान महाराष्ट्र विश्वविद्यालय प्रस्तापित किया गया है। उच्च शिक्षा से वंचितों को जैसे किसान, जवान, चर्मकार, बुनकर, जनजातीय महिला और सेवारत कर्मियों को उच्च शिक्षा लेने का अवसर यशवंतराव चौहान महाराष्ट्र मुक्त विश्वविद्यालय देता है। भारत सरकार के कौशल्य भारत अभियान अंतर्गत यशवंतराव चौहान महाराष्ट्र मुक्त विश्वविद्यालय ने क्लिक प्रोग्राम के अंतर्गत 61,000 युवकों को सन 2022-23 में कौशल्यधारी बनाया है। गढ़चिरौली जैसे नक्सली क्षेत्र के युवकों के लिए पुलिस थाने में पुलिस प्रशासन के सहयोग से शिक्षा केंद्र खोल के 7,000 युवकों को गुमराह होने से बचाकर डिग्री पूरी करने का अवसर दिया गया है। कारागृह में शिक्षा केंद्र खोल के बंदीजनों को पदवी प्राप्त करने का अवसर दिया है और इसके साथ साथ ही 100 से ज़्यादा किसानों को अपना खुद का कारोबार शुरू करने के लिए YCMA ने सहाय्य किया है। अब ऑनलाइन शिक्षा क्षेत्र में उतरकर राष्ट्र की उच्च शिक्षा प्रतिशत बढ़ाने में YCMA योगदान करेगा।
Yashwantrao Chauhan Maharashtra Open University, the real Midas touch for people seeking knowledge.